Welcome back to the channel. Timmy Smalls here. We are down here at Carrum Beach in Victoria, Australia, rocking the Panasonic Lumix S1R. Now the interesting thing about this camera is that it's the only full frame camera that can shoot in the elusive 65:24 aspect ratio. And that's what we're doing today. I thought it was just the Fujifilm medium format bodies, but it isn't. So let's see what we can capture. Beautiful night down here. Yeah, it's great to have this 65:24 format with some autofocus because I don't have any native GF lenses, so it makes it a bit hard. Love the 65:24 aspect ratio, super wide angle panoramas. Just makes epic shots. What do we got going on down here? A bloody shitload of people congregating. It is a pretty popular beach. Not aiming to get anything crazy, just to have a walk around the sunset. Let's get out and have a look. So we've got Carrum Lifesaving Club coming up ahead, and fairly new build. It's just crazy the amount of people. Someone in their $1 billion yacht. Nah, probably a couple of 100,000. Kind of a cool cloud formation. Some cool sand. It's always good.
Why don't you have shorts?
Yeah, do it first.
It's very cool to be shooting full frame 65 to 24. I know I keep saying it, but it doesn't exist. This and the S1 are the only full frame cameras to do it. Pretty cool, if you ask me. I never shot with any of the Panasonic stuff. And this is just on loan from my mate I'm selling all of his Panasonic gear as he lives in Thailand. So why not give it a crack? It's not a lightweight body, it's pretty hefty too for the mirrorless system. But I'm pretty sure these are fairly high resolution of about 45 megapixels. So not a bad camera all around. I mean, it feels nice in the hand. I don't mind a bit of a weighty camera. And this is it. There's sunset. Oops. Wish this just had a bit more zoom. Might be able to crop in a bit further. Yeah, we're using the 28 to 70. I'd like to get maybe 100 mil, but beggars can't be choosers. That wasn't that good. We're coming up here to Patterson River. Yeah, Patterson. So I don't want to be talking to myself. Patterson River is an exit point for a lot of boats in Melbourne. Lots of people come down here for snapper season, which it is right now. And it's just a great place to come on a nice summer's night, even though it's not summer, and even though it's cold as hell for an October evening. Still lots of people down here enjoying the outdoors. So we'll go down here and have a look. See if we can get some sort of street photography, people fishing. There's always something. It's a nice colour in the sky now. Let's try and get something with these. Yeah, not bad. Not amazing. Get the last shot of this boat coming in. Classic paddo scene. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you got something from this. Hope you realise that there's more cameras that shoot the 65 to 24 than just the Fujifilm stuff. this went pretty well. Anyway, thanks so much. Like, comment, subscribe and all that shit. We'll see you on the next one.